3 things you didn't know about the solar system. The sun takes 225 million years to complete an orbit around the galaxy. The last time it was in the same position, Pangaea was starting to break up and dinosaurs were just appearing. Saturn has a hexagonal-shaped storm. The hexagon is about 29,000 kilometers wide and 300 kilometers high. It is 2 times the diameter of Earth, which is 12,800 kilometers. The solar system is 4.6 billion years old. To put this into context, the human race has only been around for 5 to 7 million years. Subscribe for more interesting facts.